Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable ZipArchive in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Cpanel and inside of the search box type here PHP and click on PHP Pure Packages. Search here zip and click on go, and then here we can see the module name ZipArchive zip. So now all you have to need, just click on install and wait a moment, and here we can see it's successfully installed. Click on go back and here we can see module list showing up here and archive zip has been successfully installed. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.